In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to make your profile more attractive to recruiters. So let's get started. So first of all, the main aspect that all of the recruiters look at is your profile. That's the first thing where they go and see your skills and all the other stuff on your profile. So that part should be the strongest on your profile. So I'm going to show you guys on how to do it. So first of all, you're going to go to your profile, and then as you can see, the most attractive thing here is probably the profile picture and the cover picture. So you always have to make sure that they are perfectly done. So as you guys can see, I've specially edited this profile picture to make it attractive and eye-catching. Same with the profile picture, and how you guys can see the theme is matching. And then as you guys can see, I've given details about my experience. I've given the schools, I've given what I work for, I've given all that stuff. And then if I scroll down, you guys can see I've given us dedicated about section where I talk about my skills and all that stuff. And then I've even given my experience. This is very important part. All of the recruiters, they look at your experience. So before hiring you, they're gonna see which company you worked at, how did you work, and all that stuff. So you have to make sure that you have your experience there. And lastly, education is not that important, but yeah, some people do add it because it's an extra section to your profile. And then skills is also a very important thing. You have to make sure that you have all your skills added, and you can even click on demonstrate skills and get some important badges. And then you have honors and awards where you can add your awards. So let's say you got the best employee of the month, you can add it here. And then your language is not that important again, but still some people do prefer to add it. And yeah, that's the main important stuff. So to summarize, you can just go to add profile section, and in the core section you have to make sure that you add all of these things. If you want to make it even more stronger, you can add recommended, and then lastly you can even add additional. So alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.